get a toy if he wins. This is dog game show. All right. Round 1, fight. What is 10 plus 10? All right. Got that one wrong. So next one, 20 plus 24. You got that one right. I don't know how. Okay, next. What will be the next question for the dog game show? 33 plus 3 divided by 3. Actually, no. That's not a good question. That would be too easy for him. Okay. 2 times 2. Okay, he got it right. Now, this is going to be the final question. Are dogs